Yo, welcome back again. So these are the top 9 YouTube channel idea that can make you millions in 2024. Note, these are my personal review, and everything I'm going to say over here is from my personal knowledge and review. Okay, now let's dive into this. So there are lots of channels on YouTube, but you need to find a niche that is going to make you a lot of money. And people start YouTube channel based on their different perspective, but I started my own to make money online. Yes, as a passive income. I buy gears, I use money to buy camera, use money to buy laptop to edit my video, phone to edit my video, and also what, editing software. Only for me to be making nothing? No, I must find a way to make money with this stuff I've bought. So these are the top 9 niches or YouTube ideas that you can start, not niches. These are ideas. Okay, so number 1 is vlogging. Now, what is vlogging? Vlogging can be very simple. Even if you are going to toilets, you can vlog yourself. Yes, I'm going to shit in a public toilet today. You are done with your vlogging. Number 2, you have unboxing. So if I just bought a new tripod which I'm using, so I can just unbox it, or I can go to any store that have a lot of things, and then I'll go and unbox them, publish the video, and also that will also help me start an affiliate marketing business, which anytime I unbox something, people are going to ask me, where did you get it from, where did you get it from? Now you sell those products to them, give them your affiliate link to buy it from the store, and you earn commission. Number 3 is video gaming. It has been the easiest and the most expensive because you need to buy gadgets, camera, streaming software, and all of that. So it is one of the most top profitable YouTube niche. And then the number 4 on the list is tutorials. So tutorials on how to make money online, tutorial on how to create fake PayPal accounts in Ghana, tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel, like a video I posted yesterday is a tutorial video, and most of these videos are called educational videos, right? Now let's move to cooking. That's number 5, right? You have cooking. Cooking is one of the easiest one if you're a woman, and mostly I think the best channel on YouTube about cooking belongs to a man. So you see, where women are not using their gumptions, they only know how to ask for urgent 2K. Alright, the cooking tutorial, I don't need to talk much about it. If you are going to prepare food for your husband at home, it can be a tutorial for someone who wants to learn that, and you also be making money from that tutorial. Okay, now we have traveling. Yes, traveling is one of the most expensive among them because you have to travel, but you must first of all start from your village. So for example, I'm in Volta region, and we have a lot and a lot of tourist attractions in Volta region, but it's not necessarily mean as you travel to those places. I can travel to market. Let's say today is market day, so I can, these are 2 things. It's a vlogging, number 1, and number 2, I'm also traveling. So traveling and vlogging have something in common, because if I'm traveling and I decided, okay, I wanted to buy this online, I wanted to buy this on the road, it's part of my vlogging. Daily activities is called the vlogging. So is vlogging and traveling have one thing in common. Then we have number 6 or 7, which is photography and videographic channel. Yes, there are lots of channels that teach you how to edit your video, how to shoot video with your mobile phone, which I sometimes did. So this is one of the gadgets I use. It's actually a tripod, but I break it so that I can use one hand instead of going for gimbal. I created my own homemade gimbal. You now get a point. Now, and the last one that I'm going to talk about here is called fitness channel. So your day in day out exercise, for these are for bodybuilders, those who go to gym daily, Yes, you can go and record 2 minutes, 3 minutes video from there as daily and use it on your channel. And when you gather the community, you now begin to sell them courses on how to build their body. And all these channel ideas that I've mentioned are purely based on experience, and they can all generate you money if you are consistent with it. So try them out and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Thank you, and I'm signing out. Bass Bulls.